We've done it, guys. We have reached 100,000 subscribers here on my channel, and I am so thrilled. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. And yes, I will share with you the silver play button. If and when I get that, YouTube has to notify me with a code or something. I haven't got that yet. So once I do that and get the plaque, I'm definitely going to share that with you guys here because it is all of ours. It's not just mine. Like I said, I think of this channel as a community, and I think that we've built it together. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys subscribing and watching and commenting and encouraging. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I am with two of my three daughters, and we are going to open up a package that we got from YouTube. Okay, so do you want to open it up or should I open it up?
No, I want to.
Okay, we can all share. We can all open up something.
I will open up. I will open up.
So I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and it took a little while to come, but I'm very excited about this particular parcel, and so are my daughters. I tried to get daughter number 3 to come on camera too, but she wasn't into it, so we weren't gonna push it. Do we need scissors? Or I feel like I need to help, but I'm gonna try to not help. There's still some more here.
What?
This is gonna be like a 20-minute long video, just opening tape.
Yeah. Just opening tape.
Okay, here we go.
Open this.
Yes. What is it?
What is it?
And then there's a note from YouTube in here. Oh. And it says, although I won't read the whole thing, but the beginning says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. And then later on it says, 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan, and she is the CEO of YouTube. So, what do we have?
CEO. YouTube. I was already the boss baby CEO. Wait, it's like a mirror.
This is the silver play button. What do you think? It is like a mirror inside. What's in
Let me see. Can I see? What's in the mirror? It's presented to the DIY Mommy for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah! So first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you, my subscribers, my viewers, for making this channel what it is. I know that I could put out tons of videos, but if nobody watched them and nobody subscribed, I would not achieve this 100,000 subscribers silver play button. So thank you so much for your support, for all of the amazing and encouraging comments that you leave here on my channel. I just appreciate you so much, and I want you to know that. I do listen to all of the comments that you leave, and I try to make sure that every time I make a video, I'm thinking about you, and I'm thinking about how what I make can benefit you. So I hope you know that, and I hope you know that you are appreciated by me and by my family as well. Secondly, I wanted to encourage you, if you have your own channel or if you're considering starting your own YouTube channel, I want to give you a few tips on how to do that and how to grow your own channel successfully if you want to reach the 100,000 subscriber milestone yourself. So little A was reminding me that she and her sisters have a channel called the DIY Kids, and we haven't been working on it very much over the school year, but we are going to be working on it this summer, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe to that. I'm going to leave a link to that channel somewhere up here in the corner or down in the description box.
And if you have little kids, tell them.
If you have little kids, tell them, because we're going to put lots of kid activities and DIYs for summertime. So tip number 1 to grow your channel to 100,000 subscribers is to be consistent. I say this with a grain of salt because consistency doesn't necessarily, I found, to be successful on YouTube doesn't mean you have to post a video every Wednesday at 7 a.m. and every Saturday at 7 a.m., which I try to do, but sometimes I don't. It's more like try to post content at least once weekly. I find that when I don't post a video every week, my channel has really suffered. So at least one video a week, if not 2 or 3 or 4, whatever you can manage. Just try not to have long periods of time where you're not posting and then periods of time where you're posting all the time. So that's my first tip, is consistency. My second tip is finding your niche. I'm also saying this one with a grain of salt too, because your niche can be broader than you think. You basically need to know who your audience is. So for me, I know that you guys love budget-friendly decor and DIYs. I know that is what you love, so I try to stick mostly to that. Sometimes I'll post videos that I enjoy, like cooking and things like that, but mostly I try to stick to those budget-friendly DIY and decor tips because I know that is what you like, and that is kind of the niche that I settled on here on this channel. So find a niche that you want to kind of settle your channel on. That's going to help you grow as well. If you're a little bit too broad in your topics, you're not going to be able to appeal to a specific audience and grow your channel. And my final tip to grow your channel to 100,000 subscribers is just be you. There is only one you out there, even if you think that you are too introverted, or too boring, or too outgoing, or too young, or too old, or too whatever. There is a unique audience out there for you, so just be you, just be yourself. I find that I'm a lot different than a lot of YouTubers. I'm a little bit more soft-spoken, a little bit more relaxed with kind of my approach to things, and at first I was a little self-conscious about that, but now I realize that's just kind of who I am, and there's people that really appreciate that. So thank you for appreciating that about me and my channel. I've just really enjoyed that there are people like me and who appreciate my sort of way of doing things, and I think that's such a wonderful thing when you find that and realize that just being you and your own personality and sharing what you love and who you are is so important here on YouTube. So those are my tips for growing your own channel to 100,000 subscribers. I hope you enjoyed those. Thank you to my daughters for helping me unbox the silver play button. Thank you to you. Thank you to YouTube for sending this to me. I'm not sure where I'm gonna hang it yet. I might do a gallery wall in my studio, don't really know, but stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me down in those comments below what your favorite video of mine has been over the last few years. I would love to know. I would love to know in those comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget, and I am going to leave some more videos for you to watch right up here.
That should be a blooper, just like when you sat down, you're just like, ugh.
Yeah, okay.